He gonna try to lift. Y'all, I don't think our water was hot enough, and he just knocked on the door. He knocked on the lid. Try to open it. The can to keep it closed.
I have a dentist appointment. Completely forgot about. Try to get out of it. I don't know why I'm trying to get out of it. Like, your girl needs Jesus, but I'm hauling us. I can see it. It's like really close, so I'm going there. Maybe I'll record in there if it's not too long. Oh my god. So, I feel like a proud parent. I have no cavities. But I wanted, and they were like, you need a deep clean. I'm like, yeah, no shit. Like, I'm older than Moses. Of course, who's not gonna need a deep clean? So, I'll come back in 2 weeks for a deep clean. And then I'm gonna get Invisalign, whitening, and all that stuff. So, then I get to go home. I wonder if I could eat. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and eat. Bye. Okay, so I just went and bought this. I'm like so excited and dumb about it. Hello. Hey. Oh. Okay, so I just bought this right now. I'm so freaking excited. I love containers and nice lids, and why are these cats here? And yeah, I don't know. I just get excited. Easy grab. Like, it has the cute little handles. And then cute little lid. And it like snaps on really good. And they had a set for $28, which I will go back and buy because, oh my god, it's so cute. So I got my fries. I have, and I got caramelized onions. And then this is the In-N-Out spread that I made yesterday, I think. Yeah. So there it is. And I got a large Coke because you can't go to McDonald's and not get a large Coke. Oh, look how aesthetically pleasing everything matches. Okay, well, this doesn't, you little hoe. This is like a lunch meat thing. I just washed it and took the sticker off. But, I mean, goals, baby steps, right? Okay, so I'm gonna throw the fries into here, put some cheese on. Wait, I don't know if it goes cheese or onions first, and then the spread, and then I'm gonna make a video with my large Coke. I'm gonna be so happy with a bunch of jalapenos and little yellow peppers, and oh my god. Why are you always here? Fea. Oh, ahí viene este. Mira. Oh. Okay. This is what I got from Walmart. My favorite waters, the black cherry ones. It's the 12-pack cans. 3 lights. And 4 extension cords. But I already used one. And then I got one of these because I can't find mine. Hold on, baby. These are like $1. But I like them for sauces, you know. Do you know what happened to all of these, my friend? Me either.
And then she poured the sauce on top. I just have a little coffee here.
Ooh, so excited.
Okay. Ooh. Wow. That's really good. I already love Big Mac sauce. Like, I would always dip the Big Mac sauce into the fries. Fries into the Big Mac sauce. Oh my god.
So I just put 5 squares on 2 large fries. I'm so freaking excited. I'm so excited. I'm putting this in the oven, by the way. I didn't bring my opener. We need to leave it right here, huh? I don't want to rip it in case I want to send something back. Yeah, Gina family. I wish you. Thank you. She knows my attitude. She said, I saw this and I automatically thought of you. Thank you. Oh my god. I will not shout you out, but I will show your card. Ta-da. Thank you so much. She's the one who told me from San Diego. Okay, so my car won't start. Do you see it? I'll watch. Let's open the hood. I'm gonna lean it on my head. Watch. See the lights? This shit is loose. Looser than hell. Hold on.